Okay, hello friends, it's Pierre, and basically what I'm doing is I am giving you this update on what's been going on and explaining the last two postings that I've made. Basically, the last posting shows where I'm asking that Cal Bradford be investigated, prosecuted, and impeached. From his appellate court office, Cal Bradford destroyed my court file. He made false entries into the court record, and my court file's been missing for 4 years. And this court file is not some figment of my imagination. It is real. It is not a conspiracy theory. For those folks who want to see the letter, go to my MySpace page, myspace.com/Pierre Pullins, PIERREPULLINS. And when you go to my MySpace page, click on My Pics, and then another box will come up, My Pictures. Click that on, and you will see the letters that I've posted. The one from the clerk's office telling you that my court file is missing, an active court file that should have been sent over to the Indiana Supreme Court, but never made it over there. The court file's been missing for going on 4 years now. And the clerk, Beth White, she ain't looking for it because she knows what happened to it. She knows what Doris Ann Sadler and Cal Bradford did to that court file. And that court file was missing when I ran for Congress in 2006. The same people who were responsible for my court file was also responsible for counting the votes. And I come in dead last with only 306 votes behind 2 convicted felons. But whether you believe in the election fraud, I'm not even dealing with that. The missing court file, the destroyed court file, and the false entries that were made into my case activity report, that's what I'm dealing with. Don't talk to me about the rule of law or anything like that. Don't talk to me about what goes on in other countries or what have you. When we have these things happen in our country and they won't even report these things in the news media. One of the reasons I believe that the Indianapolis Star won't report it because, one, they're protecting Mitch Daniels because he's going to run for president in 2012, and they don't want anything to harm Mitch Daniels. And certainly that story about that judge, Cal Bradford, being put on the appellate court when Mitch Daniels knew, and Randall Shepard knew, they all knew what Cal Bradford had done. And Dennis Ryerson over here, he's protecting them. But I also believe that Dennis Ryerson of the Indianapolis Star, Gannett publication, and Gannett knows about it, I believe he promoted Caroline Mays for that congressional seat over the last several years. I believe he did it. And I believe he got something in return for it. Just like Jeff White left Caroline Mays on Channel 8 when she became a federal candidate 4 to 5 weeks and had yours truly not called the FCC. I got a free commercial out of that, as some of you will remember. I got that commercial because Jeff White over here at Channel 8 left Caroline Mays on 4 to 5 weeks after she became a federal candidate. But for some reason, that wasn't news. I believe Bill Mays and them paid him to do it. I believe that happened. And if he didn't get paid, he should have for doing what he did. But I just wanted to, the other video, also I'm asking the FBI and the Justice Department to look into the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department not looking into my shooting at Starbucks. They know who did it. They know how they did it. As a matter of fact, I went to them in November to file a complaint. They didn't take any action. Starbucks got robbed again, twice. So they know who did it. And so to wrap up, just want to let you guys know what's going on. I also, Cal Bradford and, the other judges on the Marion Superior Court, and Carl Brisley, one of the things that they're doing is they've conspired to violate my rights under the color of law and keep me from my son. They won't enforce my visitation rights, of course. Court file's missing. I'm not going to file a direct action in the Supreme Court until that court file issue is investigated. You know, we talk about the rule of law and we talk about other countries and how they run their affairs. Well, as you can see, democracy in Indianapolis, Indiana is a star-spangled lie. And if they can do this to me, they'll do it to you. And I think a lot of y'all know that. So, just giving you an update of what's going on. I'll keep you posted, keep you updated, keep an eye on me, because there's no safety in being silent about the matter. I have to be out front and let y'all know what's going on. And that's it. And I want to thank you for watching. Go to my MySpace, Pierre Pullen, my Facebook, and thank you very much.